Hello and welcome. This is a quick tutorial on Seesaw and how to take a multi-page assignment and print each page. You can print an assignment, but you may have noticed that when you do this, you get the first page of the assignment and then just the QR code of the rest of it to scan. And if you're looking to print each page, there's a little trick here to do it, and I'm going to show you that today. So in your journal, let's say you're going to look at this Name Your Planet assignment. So I'm going to go to the activities, and here it is, My Planet. There's 23 responses. I'm going to click there so I can see everybody's responses. And I'm going to go to this one here. Choose it, and when you choose it, give it a second because it actually resets the page just like that. And then down here you have these three dots, and instead of clicking print, which just gives you the first page and a QR, click save. And what happens is this window pops up, and in your downloads folder you get a zip file with all of the pages. So this is a 7-pager. I'm actually going to go back to downloads and find that collection.zip, and I'm going to right click and do an extract all and then name it for that student. That student's name. And then I'm going to hit extract, and that will create this new folder, student name, with the extracted pages. Now that I have the pages, I'm going to Control A to select all of them. I can also just click and drag over them like that. And once I have them all selected like this, I right click again, get this menu, and do a print. Now this takes you into Windows Print tool. Make sure you have the color printer chosen. I'm going to choose my color printer. And then you'll notice I just have one page here, and it's going to print 7 pages. I can do that. I can have each of the different pictures on a different page, or I have some different options on the right here. Since this is a 7-pager, I'm going to choose this 9-frame Brady Bunch style and click print on that, just making sure that I have only one copy of each. Let's fit to the frame. I've got my everything is set here, and I just click print, and then it will, I'm not going to print it, but it'll print it out for you with each of the pages all on one sheet. All right, that's the tutorial. I hope this helps you to print multi-page assignments in Seesaw. Thanks for listening.